Hoopsmiles at the pumpkin patch.
Yes! Oh, working out with the hula hoops and pumpkins. Yes, it's fun to hula hoop with pumpkins and work out. Such a good workout. One, yeah. Oh! Oh, yeah. Doing pumpkin workouts. I come to the pumpkin patch and do workouts all the time. I love doing pumpkin workouts. Build those biceps. Build those biceps with those pumpkins. Those pumpkins. This is why I'm such a good hula hooper. Is because I do these workouts every day during the month of October. This is how I work out pumpkin style. And then I get my hula hoops and then I start hooping it up. And I got my pumpkins with me because I'm Hoopsmiles, working out with pumpkins and hula hooping. You gotta do it too. Work out with those pumpkins and hula hoop. That's what we're here to do.